What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I have something pretty impressive. I unbox, booyah, my Apple Watch. So, if you want to see this video, stay around. What's up, YouTube? It's Mario from Mario Chile TV. And today's video is all about the Apple Watch Series 4, okay? Now, this is the aluminum one, 44 millimeter, which means that's an inch. It also comes in a 42 millimeter if you have smaller wrist, but I prefer this one because the wrist size is a lot bigger, and I just like to have the smaller one, First things first, when you get the Apple Watch, it comes with two size wristbands, a case for it to cover it, and this little charger right here, in case to charge it. And I will show you all this later, but yeah, this watch is pretty cool. I like it. It can track your fitness. You can see your photos. You can take a picture. Using the watch like a remote control. You can unlock your iMac wirelessly, which I do have an iMac. That's how I edit and upload videos, by using this iMac. Now you can unlock your iMac with your Apple Watch. You can do so many different things. So without further ado, I am going to show you every single thing this watch can do. So here I have my Apple Watch right here. You can see my screensaver, everything of that sort. I have mine currently unlocked, I believe. Yes, I have it unlocked. But you first thing, it's gonna ask you a language. Then you're gonna want to put in a passcode for it so no one else can get into your Apple Watch like you, just like your iPhone. It starts you off with a 4-digit passcode, but if you look into it, I believe you can put more, a 6-letter or 6-number passcode in if you wanted to, but I only have 4, so that's my code. And so yeah, this is I believe is a good Apple Watch. This is the Series 4. 44 millimeter aluminum. See that? See this is the medium large watch band. It also comes with a medium small band, and you can use that too. But first things first, you have to see how it charges. So I'm gonna take it off of my wrist. Right. Here's the watch right here, and I'm just gonna. See this? This is the charging cord for it. It's wireless and it's magnetic. And what you want to do is you just want to lay it behind it, and it makes a noise, and you know that it's charged. And it'll give you a time. This is for like when you go to sleep or something. You just want to check the time real fast while it's charging. You could just like bring it up and put it on like this. So second, I'm going to show you guys how to put it on. So you want to turn it around. You want to put it with your wrist. You want to put it on like this. And then what you want to do is you want to flip it over. Hold on. I'm going to flip it. And you guys are going to... And you guys are going to put this under. Put that part under. Like this. And then you are going to find the notch you want your wrist at for the watch, and boom, it's on. So like I was talking about that passcode earlier, you want to put a passcode in. So we're gonna click it. It's gonna come up with a passcode. I'm gonna enter in my passcode, and boom. Now once that done, you want to click it again, and it'll bring you up to this list of different stuff. Like we got walkie-talkie, we got camera, we got photos, we have location, we have breathe, we have heart rate, we have friends, calendar, workout. This is if you have the Fandango movie app. We got Fandango, we got reminders, we got stopwatch, we got alarm, we got timer, we got wallet, we got news, podcast, settings, remote. That's if you have an iMac, you could use your Apple Watch to unlock your iMac, or even just to control what audio plays on your iMac. You have this is Sleep Relax. This is an app I use to fall asleep at night sometimes when I have trouble sleeping. Other apps like that. You have radio if you want to listen to your hip hop radio or your jazz or whatever you like. And yeah, that's pretty much all the settings. You got heart rate. Let's start with photos. When you open photos, it'll bring up a list like this, and to zoom in on certain types of photos, you just zoom in and see there's a picture of my dog. There's a few of my old screensavers. There's some food I took. So this is a food shot I took. Let's zoom in on it. First, I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna zoom in, zoom, and boom, there's my food shot. And there's another one, and there's all three of those shots together. And here's some history photos. Like I was saying, that's how you access your photos, just like you would on your iPhone. Now, next is I have, see that, and it'll give you, see that. Another cool thing is once you get an alert on your phone, like I have the weather app, it'll instantly pull it up on your Apple Watch, so in case you don't have your phone with you, and you could turn it off, but I like to keep that on. So now you have your iPhone right here, and I'm gonna click this little camera app right here, and boom, it'll open the photos on your iPhone, and look, the display on your Apple Watch, see that? There's me. The display on your iPhone will mirror onto your Apple Watch, and then you could take a picture from your Apple Watch, or you could put on like a 3-second timer let's say you're with a group of friends and you set your phone down somewhere to take a picture, but no one else is gonna take the picture for you. You could just press it on your Apple Watch, and you can tell, okay, everybody, 3-second timer on, smile, cheese. See, and it'll take a picture. All right, that's that application. Next is, you have phone calls and stuff. This is your clock. You can, it's a little different than iPhone, but right now I'm going to call my brother. Call my brother.
Calling Landon.
Sorry, I didn't want you to see his phone number. It'll ring like a normal phone.
Hello?
What's up, Landon?
Hey?
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you perfectly.
All right. You can turn down the volume, or you could press plus and minus right here to minus the volume. All right, Landon, what are you up to right now?
Playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on our new Nintendo Switch after Christmas.
Do you believe that should be in the next video?
Yeah.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen. My little bro thinks it, I think it too. So if you want that to be in the next video, comment down below. And Landon, what should they smash?
That like button and the notification bell.
That's what I'm talking about.
See what he uploads.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, Landon, I'll talk to you later. I gotta finish this video. See that? You can make a phone call like that. Now I'm going to go into my messages like this. I'm gonna go up to my friend Alden. I'm gonna scribble something. I'm gonna go W H A T S space up and send. See that? And I just sent him a text through my Apple Watch. All right, now I'm going to get rid of that, and so yeah, this is a list of applications. You could also scroll out and scroll in by just the little dial here, and when you want to power it off, you'll press this little he said nothing. You just filming a YouTube video. And I sent him a response back. All right, now we're gonna zoom in. Now this one cool thing is activities right here. I'm gonna show you what this can do. All right, this will show you how much you've walked, run, and stuff like that. I'm gonna scroll down. It says 115 calories out of my 300 calories, exercise 0 minutes, standing 6 out of 12 hours. And it'll show you all my steps, how many miles you went, how many flights you climbed, and all this stuff. And you want to go to walkie-talkie, talk with friend. You could find somebody in your contacts who has an Apple Watch, but nobody besides me does. So I'm not going to test that feature, but if any of my friends are watching who have Apple Watches and you want to walkie-talk with me, we can. But yeah, these are a list of applications. What reminders do I have? I have no scheduled reminders. Let me show you one last thing before I go. We're going to go into heart rate, and it's going to measure my heart rate right now. And it has these little scanners at the bottom that scan your heart rate and stuff to see how many BPMs per minute. 111 BPMs per minute, 108. All right, and it'll show you that too. So that's just another cool thing your Apple Watch can do. And this has fall detection. This has all these different types of stuff. If your grandfather, all right. Oh wait, I forgot. You could when you're on your home thing, you could scroll up and it'll give you your list of applications. But when you scroll from bottom to top, you can see your Wi-Fi, airplane mode. You could see the percentage of your Apple Watch itself minus on 94%. And you could also do this where you could ping your iPhone in case you lose it. See that? And it'll make a little noise on my phone. But I believe if you hold it down, if you hold it down, you could actually make it flash too. We got flashlight. Okay, that's just a standard flashlight. This is and you could change the wattage. This is SOS. SOS, SOS. And this is red flashlight in case you want that. All right, we're gonna dismiss that. All right, we're gonna go up. This is theater mode in case you wanna silent your phone and mute all notifications when you go to a movie or you go to the theater. This is, of course, your regular silent on notifications and phone calls and all that stuff. This is for when you get water in your iPhone. You're going to turn the digital crown to unlock and eject water. See, and it'll make noises to eject all that water out of your Apple Watch. See, my friend just sent me a game of Game Pigeon. I don't think you can play Game Pigeon yet. If you don't know what Game Pigeon is, it's an iPhone game. I'll leave the link to it down below if you have an iPhone. But yeah, this screensaver right here is a picture I took myself. But if you want to change it to something else, you always can by just scrolling and choosing a different one. See, these are all the ones I have saved. You got Mickey Mouse, you got utility, you have all of these different types you could choose from. I'm gonna go to the one I have. And oh, by the way, you could also press customize if you want to change the position of where it is, or if you want to change what it displays at the top or the bottom. A cool thing is if you have stuff like your day calendar, heart rate, you have 2 messages, warning, give us. If you have it on Apple Music right here, like it is, and you click on it. See that? It'll take you right to your music, and it'll show you all your songs on your playlist right from here. All right, and yeah, that's just a few cool things you could do. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a follow-up video on this. I love this Apple Watch. I've been using it since I got it on the 25th, which is Christmas, of course. So yeah, other than that, I will see you guys later. Like and subscribe. Ring that bell so you will get every single new video. and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.